Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Turn the vehicle ignition off and remove the key before working on the tail light. Lock the car in park and engage the emergency brake. Gather a replacement 7443 bulb, also called 3157, a flat screwdriver, cotton gloves to avoid skin oils, and a soft cloth. Work in daylight or use a bright lamp. The assembly can be hot, so let it cool. Keep the old bulb in a safe container for disposal and verify the new bulb is a 12V automotive lamp. Open the rear hatch and remove the trunk trim access panel to reach the lamp housing. Some RX330 models have 2 plastic clips and one 10mm nut to remove. Use a flat screwdriver to pry clips gently and a 10mm socket for the nut. Keep parts organized. Reach into the cavity, press the wiring harness tab, and pull to disconnect. Grasp the bulb socket and rotate counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock and release the bulb from the assembly. Insert the new 7443 bulb into the socket, making sure the contacts align and the bulb seats fully. Rotate the socket clockwise until it clicks to lock. Reconnect the wiring harness by pushing until the tab engages. Before reassembling trim, test brake, tail, and turn signals from inside the car using the brake pedal and turn signal lever, verify the bulb illuminates for each function. Replace the access panel, reinstall 2 plastic clips and the 10mm nut, and stow tools and the old bulb for proper disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.